In this video we are going to see about a app, Bluesaver. It is an Android app and this is the project workflow. In this we have the user can work in this case of scenarios like standard, travel Wi-Fi on, always online, always offline, start night mode and setting. This is the Bluesaver app. In this we have a setting, and in this we have standard, user standard, and we have travel on Wi-Fi. Here we have that a Bluesaver next sync travel. So which shows that the travel Wi-Fi is off now. So it is off. After that we have always online. So Bluesaver always online is shown. After that we have always offline. And start night mode. Now in setting we have enable process, which enables the Bluesaver process, the Wi-Fi, which is used to allow the Wi-Fi is on or off. After that we have mobile data options. In this we have toggle mobile data, which required battery saving, which is used to save the battery during the mobile data time. And after that we have start on boot. This shows that the boot starts automatically. After that we have some notifications and time setting. This is the time setting process. We can change our time and sleep time of that data. After that we have connecting time. We can connect. According to that we can set the connect time of that mobile data connection. Data setting, data while charging. This option shows that the data can be charged in plugged or unplugged time. After that we have some data while screen on. So the screen on option shows that wait till the screen locked, keep data till the screen is off or on. Like that, this process, the screen on off process, is shown in this data screen on. After that the night mode. This night mode shows that enable night mode means we can night mode only, night mode start, end process, this and all shown in this night mode options. After that we have force synchronization, so which is account include disable or enable. This process will sync the app. These are all the scenarios of the Bluesaver Android app.